Welcome to Next Gen Tech Info Channel, where we break down the world's biggest tech stories. Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping warfare as we know it: AI-powered smart weapons. Imagine drones, tanks, and missiles that can think, analyze, and act all on their own. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's already happening. Smart weapons are AI systems capable of making real-time decisions on the battlefield with minimal human input. Defense contractors and military labs are training these AI models using massive data sets, maps, enemy movements, environmental conditions, to make decisions faster than any human could. Let's break down the tech behind it. We've got computer vision, which allows drones to see and recognize targets. Neural networks help these systems make tactical decisions, and reinforcement learning lets AI improve itself through simulated battles. It's like training a self-driving car, but for warfare. Real-world examples? In Ukraine, autonomous drones are already being used for reconnaissance and strikes. The US is testing AI pilots that can outmaneuver humans in dogfights. And Israel's Harpy drones? They can loiter in the air and autonomously attack radar signals, but with all this power, there are massive concerns. Who's accountable if an AI weapon makes a wrong decision? Could AI escalate wars faster than humans can control? And what happens if these smart weapons fall into the wrong hands? Countries like the US, China, and Russia are racing ahead, but global regulations are lagging behind. AI is rewriting the rules of war. Smarter weapons could save lives by reducing human error, or they could unleash chaos. The technology is being built right now. The question is, will humanity stay in control? If this video blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to know where the future is heading. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp out there. If you found this inspiring, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's keep exploring the future where tech works hand in hand with sustainability. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.